Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here in Odessa, Missouri, where we're going to install 10 of our King Pier 2s. Stay tuned. We're getting them started. This side here, we're gonna beautify this and try to put everything back together, mortar it, make it look good. Back side and the other side is down. After installing our King Pier 2s, we should bring everything back up to level on this back side. Stay with me here, kingpiers.com. You can always reach me at 816-521-8915. If your house is sinking, give us a call. We can solve your problem for you. We also straighten leaning inward walls, leaning outward walls, floor replacement, crack repair. Give us a call, 816-521-8915. We are running a July special. July's just about over. We're right in the middle of it. So give us a call. Save that big money that you work hard for. We give veteran discounts, teacher discounts, military discounts. kingpiers.com.